Did we?
This old highway's getting longer. Seems there ain't no end in sight. The sleep would be best, but I just can't afford to rest. I got a ride in Denver tomorrow night. I call the house but no one answers. For the last 2 weeks no one's been home. I guess it's through with me. And tell the truth, I just can't see what's kept a woman holding on this long. And the white line's getting longer, and the saddle's getting cold. I'm much too young to feel this damn old. All the cards are on the table with no ace left in the hole. I'm much too young to feel this damn old. Competition's getting younger. Tougher broncs, you know I can't recall. I worn out table, Christmas do, lonely living and bad blues seem to be the only friends I've left it all. And the white line's getting longer, and the saddle's getting cold. I'm much too young to feel this damn old. All the cards are on the table with no ace left in the hole. I'm much too young to feel this damn old. Lord, I'm much too young to feel this damn old.
Man, we gonna get a bunch of likes on that one.